Welcome to another episode of Geek Money Life, where we talk about money and how to make sense out of your dollars. And so today I'm going to be talking about the quickest way to improve your credit score. Now, when it comes to improving your credit score, there's a lot of different strategies. You could buy a prepaid card where you actually put money into it, or you could actually have a really long credit history, or you could actually pay your credit cards on time. And all of those things definitely help your credit scores. But the one thing that helps the most and will absolutely make your credit score explode is your credit utilization. Or basically using as little credit and debt as you can. And ideally, the best way to do this is to pay off your credit cards. That's really the best way for you to increase your credit scores. At least from my own experience, I was able to increase my credit score in a week anywhere from 10 to 15 points weekly as I was paying off my credit cards. And whenever you pay off all your credit cards, your credit card utilization is going to be really low or zero. And then your credit scores is just going to rocket. It's just going to go up along with everything else that you're doing. And this is the one thing that credit card manufacturers really don't talk a lot about. Even though they have that on there on ways that you could improve your credit score, that is the one thing that they don't want you to do in the end. They don't want you to not have any debt. They want you to have this credit card debt, so then obviously they can make a lot of money off of all the high interest that they are charging for you. And then at the same time, if you do have a lot of credit card debt, then obviously you're going to have many other debts as well. You're probably going to have loans, your car payments, your mortgage, and so many other different things. And so it's more of a mental state. Now, even though, reducing your credit card debt or absolutely removing it is the quickest way to improve your credit score, it's definitely not the easiest, because as anyone knows, reducing your debt, especially credit card debt, is really a long-term thing. But once you get there, you'll be really happy that you did. Not only will your credit score be great, but you won't owe them all this money. So that is it on this episode on how to improve your credit score quickly. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave down in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe.